Hey traders, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing this very quick video with you today that's going to be focusing on TradersDay Live. If you've been following my channel, then you will probably know about TradersDay Live. It is a trading event that's coming up this year in June the 17th, 2023. It's in London in the UK, and it's going to be a fantastic day. I have created some videos previously that talk about what TradersDay Live is, what's going on. And at the start of the year, I had every intention of going to TradersDay Live, but since then, unfortunately, I've had to give away my ticket because my baby's getting really big and I'm struggling to get about on foot, so it's just not going to happen for me this year. But the reason I'm sharing this video with you today and why it's super important that you carry on watching this video is because you have another chance of winning a free ticket to this event. Now, this is specifically if you guys are completely committed to coming to TradersDay Live. I've only got a limited amount of tickets and I want to give them to people who are genuinely going to go to the event. Now, these are some free silver tickets. So if you are from the UK, especially if you are close or local to the London area, and if you have every intention of going to TradersDay Live, if you have a free ticket, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel below, and drop me an email. My email address should be coming up on the screen. It's emily@mindfullytrading.com. And just drop me an email saying, yes, I am so committed. I really want to come to TradersDay Live if you give me a free ticket. If you do that, then I will give you a special coupon code, which means that you can get your own free ticket to join TradersDay Live. But it's coming up soon. It's only a few weeks away, so make sure you drop me an email and get your ticket sorted out as soon as possible. But just a very brief overview of what's going on at TradersDay Live. As you can see, it's June the 17th, 2023 in Westminster, London. So it's very central, very easy to get to. There are a lot of public transport routes in London, and it runs from 9 until 6. Now, there are some different ticket options available, and as I'm recording this, there's currently 20% off, but I am able to give you guys a free silver ticket. Now, this will just give you access to the day events. You'll get access to all the live lectures, you will get a free beer, access to traders stand-up comedy and the trading tournament that's going on, and there'll also be a traders goodie bag as well. So there's a lot there that you can get for free if you send me an email. It looks like such an amazing event. It looks so much fun, and it looks like a really interesting event for developing some knowledge, learning from some key speakers. So there are a lot of really cool characters going. You may recognize some of these faces already, who will be going and talking at TradersDay Live. And of course, there is the TradersDay tournament, where you can join in with the trading fun and have a chance to win some really incredible prizes. So once again, if you are totally committed to going to this event, if you are free, if you're able to get to Westminster, London, and if you are given a free ticket, you will go, then please like and subscribe to this video, send me an email, emily@mindfullytrading.com, and in return, I will give you details about the coupon code, and this is how it works. From the main TradersDay Live website, if you scroll down and underneath silver ticket, which is what I have a free ticket for, if you click on buy now, this will take you to the Eventbrite website. There's more information about the event, but on the right hand side, you can click on get tickets. And right at the top of this page, there is a box for a promo code. Now, I will give you a special code that you can use, whereby once you enter it into this section, it will just give you a 100% discount. So you will be able to check out, not pay anything, and get a free silver ticket. But these are only for traders who are totally committed to going to this event, because I have a limited amount, so it has to be worthwhile. So please like and subscribe to this video, drop me an email, and happy trading. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.